everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy ways to recycle your calendars in the new year. We're all used to the drill of new year, new calendar, but what about the old calendars? Instead of just throwing them away, why not turn them into something new? Here are 3 ways to reuse and upcycle old calendars. Idea number 1 is to turn them into envelopes. Twinkl have some envelope folding templates that you can use for this, so I'm going to leave a link to those in the description below. Just print them on the back of the calendar page, cut them into the correct shape, and then fold to create a beautiful, colourful envelope. If you're trying to figure out where you can write your address on the envelope, just grab a bit of paper, stick it on the front, and you're good to go. Idea number 2 is to do some origami. First, you'll want to make your calendar page into a nice square, so you'll need to crop it down into the appropriate size and shape. Once you've done this, you can practice your paper folding skills. There are instructions for all kinds of origami projects on the Twinkl website. Take a look for one that you like and give it a go. Because the paper from your calendar will be so colourful and varied, you should end up with a very interesting origami project. The calendar pages will also be bigger than the squares you would usually work with for origami, meaning that you will end up with a larger product. It also might be a little bit easier to do, which means that you will get good practice in for when you want to work with smaller squares. Idea number 3 is to turn it into wrapping paper. This is an easy way to make sure your calendars don't go to waste. It'll also put an original spin on how your gifts look. Just wrap your presents in them throughout the year. You'll save some money on wrapping paper and it'll look awesome. Do you have any ideas on ways to upcycle old calendars in the new year? If you do, let us know in the comments below because we'd love to hear them. Also, if you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe on the Twinkl Australia YouTube channel so you can keep seeing more content like this. Equally, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, so make sure you follow us on those social media handles as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.